Hi and welcome back to Monkey Roo. Tonight I'm going to put some more parts on the white DAX. I've charged my battery this time, so I do apologise for last week's video. I didn't know it ended. I didn't know my battery had gone. I kept on yapping on, and when I came to putting it on, I thought, but anyway, I do apologise for that. But basically all I did after it finished was I put the helmet lock on and fed the wiring through there and the grommet in there, so it's all nice and neat and tidy. I did put the new grommet on there as well, and also I put the headlight switch on, so that's all ready to go now. So tonight, as you can see, we've got a table full of parts. I'm going to try and get through it, and I'll try and keep my eye on it. I do apologise, but like I say, I don't edit the videos because basically I don't know what I'm doing, and it doesn't really bother me, to be honest with you. So anyway, enough of that jackanori. Right, so where do we start? I think we should start at the front. I'm going to put my bins on, sorry. Right, okay, let's get horny. So again, these are all the original parts that I've just basically cleaned up and reuse. Nothing wrong with this one, so we'll reuse that. Where's me? Not very professional today, am I? Oh, there you go. So yeah, so I didn't know it finished early, and felt a bit of an idiot really, but there you go. So I say I'm going to try and keep my eye on it today. So I'm going to put the headlight on as well. Now I've got all the horn and everything. It's the original headlight shell. It's got a couple of scratches, but you know, it is what it is. And it's just it's going back on. So put that on there. Sometimes I've bought a few replicas in the past, and to be fair, they're not the best quality. So let's say on this one, all I've done is I've polished it to its as much as I can, and it's come up all right, I think. Right, okay, so again, these have all been zinc plated, so let's get that in there. Feed all these in there first. So I've cleaned all the wires up as well, so they're nice and clean for when I come to put it all back together. Put that in there. Put that in there. There's not much wiring really on these little monkey bikes. It's pretty much straightforward. It's colour coded as well, so it's pretty straightforward. If I can do it, anyone can do it. Put it that way. I'm no electrician, but there you go. Shocking. Right, okay. Right, so that's ready. That's all fed. Right, okay. Let's just get this nice and neat. Well, it's got the proper clips as well. It's like a H clip that sits in. As I say before, now I've not bothered, and it's been a right pain because it moves. To be honest with you, so you'd be surprised what them little brackets do. So there's one. There. I'm not going to tighten it up yet because I've still got the light to do and the speedo cable and such like. So I'm going to put it slack for now. But it's on then. So same on the other side. Got a few more new subscribers, so thank you very much. Do appreciate it, and spread the word. You know, it's trying my best for you. Yeah, that's that. So I'm just going to leave it slack for now. Right, what else can we do on the front? We have got new knobs for the front, but I might as well wait till I finish with the bars. Skim them and polish up. Again, they're the original bars, so right, okay, I'll tell you what, let's get rid of the seat locking gubbins, and then that's out of the way. I've already pre-greased the threads. What I can do, where's that 10mm? Again, it's all been zinc plated, and it just adds to the, when you're building these things, to try and do them as high quality as I can. It just finishes it off really. This bike will be used, but be nice. So. Okay, that's that one. Let's just shove them there, around there. So what we've got, let's put that on there because I'm not ready for that. Got the harness warning clip. So it's pretty straightforward, that one. So it is literally just a clip. Okay, that's on. I'm gonna, right, do you know what? I think we're ready for the tank tonight as well. So let's, I'll tell you what, just so I can make room, put the grab handle as well. I believe they were optional extra when they were new, but I like to put it on. And then that's it. I tend to, I don't know why, I don't tend to use them myself, but it just fills the gap. But I tend to, I know I shouldn't, I tend to use the seat, or now on my DAX, which is outside, I've just been out on it, I've got the luggage rack, so that's so easy to grab when you come to shift the bikes. Right, that's on. So what we've got now is like, they're like tank rubbers, if you like. They're like what sit on. So nothing wrong with that. So these kind of tuck in. What I tend to do is try and get like so. We've gone for the new tank. I know they're expensive, but it's just peace of mind when you're riding these things. Obviously these are going to be ridden as well, and you don't want a rusty tank. Even though sometimes I can get them cleaned out, but sometimes they don't clean as much as I'd like to. Okay. What I do, you just pull over that side like that. I'll just show you what I mean, and at the same time I can check you're still with us. So yeah, they're just literally just sitting there like that. Same time I put the grab handle on. I say it's an app cable clip there. Okay. Right, now, sometimes the tanks go straight in, sometimes they're a bit of a fight, but I'm hoping this one's going to go in alright. Put it like that. Okay, so got a new petrol pipe as well, and a new, it's like a tank rubber if you like, to stop it vibrating on the frame. Right, let's have a look what we've got on the cap. Where's the cap? Put that back. Cap should be here somewhere. Where's that bit? Where's the cap? The cap must be here somewhere. Oh, it's like Christmas. Yeah, nice new tank. Okay. Yeah, nice. Okay. What I tend to do, you look, should have it. It's got, obviously got reserve and feed. Just try. Oh, they put these like rubber caps on them. Let's try and cut them off. How are we getting on? You're a bit on the angle. There you go. Hold on. There you go. How's that? That better? Yeah. So sorry. Oh, sorry. One of them is reserved. One of them does have. I can see it, don't I? Okay, so the front one's reserved, back one's on. So let's see what we've got. Got new fuel pipe as well. Should be the right one. Oh, I see. Yeah, we'll cut it. We'll do it in half. Okay, and also at the same time I need some tape, and the reason I need the tape is so I can indicate which one is reserved when I feed them through. Very nice and tight. As I say, the front one's reserved. You'll see what I mean in a minute when I put tape on. I'll put these clips on as well. I don't know, I should have put them on first. See if I can take these back on. I mean, to be fair, I can't see them go anywhere really. They're tight then, so I'll leave them. Right, so what did I say? The front's reserved, and the reason why I'm putting tape on, as you'll see in a sec. Right, okay, this is the fun bit. Oh, sorry, got to put the tack rubber on. Which way? And all you do, you kind of, am I doing it the right way? That way, there you go. Yeah, it's like I assume it's just to keep it in situ in the frame, and obviously it doesn't rattle around. Like that. Ooh, for this new it's a bit tight. Let's go that way. Oh, there you go. It goes into that little recess in the tank. Just make sure you're still on. Yep. Okay. No, I'm going to start singing, don't worry. What I should have done was put a bit of WD or something on it, but a bit more. I'm nearly there now. Oh, there you go. That one's there. That's it. Right, again, just going through there. See, sometimes what they tend to do, they tend to foul on the stuff that's around it. Oh no. Hold on, let's move all this stuff. There you go. Push up as far as you can. Yeah, tank rubber's still there. Should be a little bit more. It's obviously stuck on something. Tight as well. Is that it? I'm pretty convinced that should go a little bit further, yeah? Right. So it must be fouling or something. Right, I'll come back to that in a sec. But again, the reason why I put tape on is so now I can know which one's reserved without going back into there. Anyway, that's that. Let's get rid of some of this rubbish. What we're down to. Yeah, we've still got some goings on there. Right. Should we put the back mudguard on, I think? Well, before I put the swinging arm on. Give these a dab of grease. all being well, if the weather's nice, I'm going to be going out tomorrow on the monkey, on the Dax, so apparently there's thunderstorms due. So we'll see. I'm just going to open the curtains in the morning, hope for the best. And then say if we're out, I'll try and do another riding video. And we're going to go back up North Wales in the mountains. So it's going to try and say do a bit more miles as well, carry on to a bit further on. So come on. So fingers crossed it's dry. So tell you what, let's move me, keep it in the little ST. Move in. There you go. That's better. So it's going through some bad weather at the moment in the UK. I don't know what it's doing abroad, but normally May it's nice and warm and dry, but not this year. Not this year. Why aren't you going in? Let's try tightening that up. Yeah, so been looking forward to that all week. I say the photographer's up there as well to get some riding shots. So looking forward to that, but it'll be very good if it's hooning it down. So we'll see. We'll see. We'll get some looks. I'll say that I'm out today on mine with Ian. And yeah, we get some good looks. Whether it's funny or whether it's people thinking, what on earth? Well, there you go. Right, okay. I'll tell you what I need. The big washers. For that. Alright. Got them on. Seal it. Right. Now, give it a little grease. Oh, I'm not one, not there. Right, okay. Which one's the? I put all the nuts and bolts in the different, so they're all together. And it should be. Definitely that one. That's fine. Yeah, okay. And then that one's in there. Why not now? Well, there you go. And then still on the hunt for a decent backlight, so the one I've got for it is pretty pitted, so it's I don't want to put that on it. So I'll keep my eye out for where I am. I know Shire's want good money for them. It's not long enough, that one. Well, I'll have to source another bolt for that. That goes in there. Right, what else can we do tonight? I don't think. That. Should we put the front mudguard on as well, eh? What do you think? La la la. Let's just double check before it's starting to look like a bike again now. How are we doing for time? Just take these out. Right. What I tend to do with these is try and squeeze it through. Try and do it this way so you can see. Try and squeeze it down around it moving. A bit awkward without the wheels on, but give it a go. There we go. There you go. Right. I'll put them. Again, just give them a dab of grease. That. I'm not far off now, so I've only got the wheels and the engine left to go really. The handlebars, which I'm going to clean up before next week's video. And say it won't be far off then. I reckon another couple of videos and then it'll be done. Right, where's my 10mm gone? I'll look into that tank as well because I'm not happy with that. That should go on a lot further. So I'll say I'll look into that. Why it's not. Something's obviously stopping it. So I think that'll do for tonight. I've bored you enough. So I'll say it's coming on. Not far now. I know it looks in pieces, but it's not far. There's not much left to put on it now. So it's a nice bike when it's done. Yeah, so much jam in there, so I'm going to look into that, why it's jamming that, and then push it back in. In other news, I've managed to get a UK logbook now for the Cypress Charlie, so good things to come for that. And it'll say it's on a UK plate now, so looking forward to that. I started ordering parts. Yeah, we're still charged. It's yeah, looking forward to that. But say I've got parts coming now which I'm storing, starting to get there. There's another Charlie we got this week, so that's another one down the line. But for tonight's video, that's a wrap. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Ta-da, ta-da.